David, during that end of the first quarter into the second quarter, I think it was a 17-0 run, 23-2, something like that.
Yeah.
What was going wrong during that run?
Well, I mean, they shot the hell out of the ball, for one, and you're not giving up easy things to Kawhi. Kawhi was 7 for 17, which obviously is an improvement from what we saw in Denver. Like I said, James had it going early, but I think the overreaction to what those guys present sometimes leads to obviously good looks from other people. And when the shots started falling, I thought our rotations got slower. I thought we met Zubats too late going to the rim. And, we're going to have to make adjustments and change things up as we go throughout the game. But like I said, it doesn't matter what your adjustments are if you're not going to meet the challenge. And I thought that when it got away from us, obviously, I sat the guys, hoping for Saturday to give them some rest. But look, man, we got embarrassed today. It happens in the playoffs. Been a part of it before, been a part of the other side of it. The bottom line is it's one game, and we come back game 4, we do the right things, give ourselves a chance, we'll be right there.